Hey, we are back. Dr. Donese with us, and she is a naturopath and medical doctor out of Phoenix. Your offices are in Phoenix. Doctor, welcome to the show. It's allergy time. And what we were talking about before we went on the air, and I attest to this, never been bothered by allergies. Last year and this year, I have noticed a bit of an annoyance with it, and that brings us to our first question for you. Why are some people bothered later in life, or have never been bothered before, all of a sudden, whammo.
Right. We typically think of children and having allergies and then outgrowing them. But as we age, there's something called the intrinsic factor in our GI that allows us to get the nutrients and things that we need to help balance the immune system. So as we age and we continue to put in foods that we may be sensitive to, that cause a constant level of inflammation that we're not sure of when we're younger, but as we age, we can't do it. Exactly. The glass is full already.
You know what? That says something.
Yeah.
Because we weren't set up to have allergies.
Right.
It's how we feed our body.
That's right. Well, you know, allergies are the immune system is too overactive. That's what it is. It's like cancer, it's like autoimmune. The body is reacting to something that it normally shouldn't. So therefore, if we're eating something every day that causes a low level of inflammation, in time, now when the pollens are bad in a certain year,
we're going to notice it.
The body cannot handle it. The immune system's
what
overwhelmed.
about those people like yours truly? I don't eat the way I should all the time, and I'm not attacked by allergies.
Right.
So what's my case?
Your immune system is more in balance. We have TH1, TH2, you know, they're supposed to do this in helping the body know when to react to something or not. You know, the people who, though, I will say this, the people who say I never get sick sometimes are my patients that may get some type of cancer later on because they don't have enough of an immune system to react. Right now, I've got a little head cold. Every 3 years or so, I'll get this. It's a detox. That is my sign of my body saying someone coughed on me, I was exposed, now I'm mounting a response. So allergies are the same way. Cough, sneeze, nose running, that is the body trying to fight off these problems that it sees.
I don't like what I just heard you say.
Right.
But I'm going to accept it.
Right.
Because many times when you say, well, I'm never sick, or somebody says that, you're thinking, wow, they have a great immune system.
And they might, but they could also have the opposite, which is not enough of immune cells to be able to mount that response, to clean out the viruses and bacteria that they've been exposed to. Wow. So now they're more susceptible. You know, they don't know.
So as we grow older, do we become, does our body begin to break down in the immune system?
Well, it sure does. I don't know about yours, but mine's breaking down already.
We're not going to use the word breakdown. We're going to say it slows down.
It slows down.
Okay? And it is, we can still talk to the body in natural ways. We can still help balance the immune system so that it's not overreacting or underreacting. It's all about balance when we talk about the immune system.
Now, my wife suffers from allergies, and nothing ever seems to work.
Right.
And if it does work, it's just a temporary fix.
Most of the allergy type medications that we have are about alleviating the symptoms. They're not, they're cutting the fire alarm.
It's like the Band-Aid.
That's exactly right. They're cutting the fire alarm, but the fire's still going on. So we didn't fix anything by taking something that either dries you up or an antihistamine. That's turning off the response, but it's not helping balance the immune system so that we don't continually
to fight naturally.
Exactly.
So leave it to Europe to do it.
Exactly, leave it to the Italians in this case. Yeah.
It's just wine with the Italians, isn't it?
Well, that resveratrol in that wine is amazing.
That's why their immune system is so
They're fantastic,
balanced.
and they enjoy themselves.
So this is a new little dilly-bob here.
It is. They have an entire system to treat all kinds of things in the body. But talking about allergies today, what they have and what is so unique is they've come up with something that again is about balance in the body. But we're using cytokines and different interleukins. These are pieces of our immune system. Big words,
you
right?
You have to pardon me, but I left my cap and gown at the cleaner.
Right. What that means is those are pieces that in traditional medicine we would love to be able to do. We know that's where the problem is. But when we tried to fool with those areas before, there were too many side effects. The Italians have gotten down to say, the science shows that very minute dosages of these, called physiological dosages, are the dosages that we normally have. If we give the body a tiny dose of this molecule, then the body recognizes, oh, I have allergies. My TH1 and TH2 are not balanced. It's a signal to the body to say, you're out of balance, fix it. So it's allowing the body to fix itself, which is a beautiful system.
Prescribed? Is it a prescription? Or
it is only through doctors, but doctors that are trained in the GUNA system. So they have to go and learn how to work with these interleukins and cytokines to know what to do. Without knowing that, there are basic products that they can prescribe to their patients. One is about cleansing out the body, because you've got to get rid of the toxins so that it's not continually affecting the immune system. One is about treating the symptoms, because nobody's going to take anything if they were still having their symptoms. And the other one, the most important, is about balancing the immune system, letting your body know something is wrong, you need to fix it. No side effects with these. They're absolutely safe, they're FDA registered, and there are no known side effects, so there's no downside to it.
But none of that is over the counter?
None of this is over the counter, but patients can go to the website. It's GUNA Inc., G-U-N-A-I-N-C. They can go to GUNA Inc., and they can find a doctor in their area that is utilizing this new system of medicine.
Thanks, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
Great
Thank you.
information. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.